What's up, what's up, what's up, everyone? It's your girl, Naturally Terry, and today I'll be using the Bentonite Aztec clay in my natural tapered hair. Now, this is the Indian healing clay, same thing as the Bentonite clay. I'll be using 3.5 spoons. Now, when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you are not using any metal spoons for the stirring, because the clay absorbs the metals and that makes it becomes less effective. So you want to make sure that you're either using a bamboo spoon, that's the wooden spoon, or you're using plastic. And you want to make sure you are also not mixing the clay in any metal container. Now I am just going to be pouring in a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Now this is the raw Braga brand apple cider vinegar. And I am going to be putting in a small amount of water also. It should be half and half vinegar, half water. All right. And I'm just stirring until this becomes smooth. I am now going to add some organic coconut oil to my mixture. I am just going to be using 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. I am now going to be adding some essential oils. Now, we all know that essential oils are very good for our hair and skin. All right, so I am going to be using a few drops of peppermint oil. Now, peppermint is very essential in hair growth. It promotes hair growth, and so I am using 3 drops of this, and then I'm going to be using 3 drops of lavender oil. Lavender oil is also good for promoting hair growth.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and
so I bought this little package of essential oils on Amazon. It was quite affordable, so you can look into getting that for yourself. Now, this is what it looks like when everything is properly mixed in. So smooth and nice. Now, let's go to putting this into the hair. Now, you want to make sure that your hair is wet or properly saturated, because the clay can be drying. That's the reason why I added the oils to it, so that I can have a good amount of slip while applying it to my hair. So now I'm just wetting up my hair. This is just water. So after wetting, I am going to be applying.
all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
So here I am just rubbing it all over my hair. Yes, just rub that in, baby. And then I am going to be separating in small portions to apply the mixture and make sure that each strand get a good amount of clay on it, because we want to have those curls popping again. Yeah, we want our hair to look its best, so we are going to go through strand. Smells so good. Yeah. Now I am just going to speed up the rest of the video until we are through with our application.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
did you know that this mixture is also good for the face? Yes. So I am going to be putting some on my face. Yeah, take out those toxins. Okay. Alright, this is my face when it is dried. It is stiff and the hair is also stiff. So it's been about half an hour since this has been in my hair, so I am going to wash it out now and then I'll come back. So this is my hair after it has been washed out. It is extremely clean and it feels so much softer. Yes, my scalp is clean. Now, when you have to make sure that you wash out that clay properly, baby, because it will stay on your scalp. Yeah, my scalp is clean. My hair is soft, and guys, I am not exaggerating. All right, so now I am just going to put some coconut oil into my hair to, you know, get back that moisture, and you know, your hair needs oil, so I am putting that in. I'm not going to put much, but I'm not going to be doing that today. That's for another video. Look at these curls. Remember, all that's in my hair is just oil and moisturizer, basically leave-in conditioner, and look at that. That's the effect of the bentonite clay. Try it out, guys. I'm sure you won't regret it. So guys, we have made it to the end of today's video. I thank you so much for watching, and if you have made it to this end, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Thanks for watching.